I made a decision that before I would come here to talk about Pi Network, there has to be something tangible to talk to my audience about the project, because I would not want to come here and just farm engagements and likes, then rinse and repeat. No, that's not fair. So now there's something very interesting to talk about the project. Let's get to it, guys. Now, when you come to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see something very interesting. You're going to see that the position of Pi Network is moving up. It was way over 50 something position, but now it's climbing its way up. It's currently in the 41st position on CoinMarketCap. And you can also see that the price of Pi is going high gradually. You can see that for the past 7 days, Pi Network has gained a whopping 40.16% in increase. Now, the purpose of this video is, why is this happening? Now, why is Pi Network surging right now that the market is bleeding? Now, let's go straight to it. Now, the first reason why this is happening is, if you notice, for those of you that are waiting for mainnet migration, the mainnet migration has paused, thereby reducing immediate supply pressure. You notice that people can no longer migrate to their mainnet for now, and that has in turn reduced the supply pressure that is out there, because we already know it is no longer news for those people that are already into crypto that the higher the supply, the lower the price. Now, they are trying to control the supply, but how are they trying to do this? That is what we want to know in this video. Now, when you look at this Pi scan, you are going to see something very interesting. You can see that on the 31st of January, over 64 million Pi Network was distributed. 2nd of February, 58 million. 3rd of February, 38 million. 5th of February. But when you come all the way down to recently, which is on the 13th of February, you're going to see a drop. You're going to see that only 259,397 Pi was distributed. Now, what is this to tell you? Now, the supply is getting reduced. The rate at which Pi Network is distributing their Pi token is now getting reduced and reduced. Now, what this does is, instead of a mainnet migration to enable users to now move more Pi Network into the active ecosystem, it is now controlling that, thereby reducing supply. Now, that has actually had a very huge impact on the price increase in recent times. Now, what they're trying to do is to reduce the supply and make Pi coins a utility token, something very valuable, not something anyone can just have access to. And this is kind of slowly affecting the price. If you notice, Pi Network has now moved from a downtrend to a stabilization. The coin is now very stable. Now, they are proving their relevance. Despite all the turbulence, despite all the pressure, they are still standing. And there's another very good reason why this price surge is happening. Now, let's talk about the anniversary. Do you think this anniversary is a catalyst to the price of Pi, or it is a coincidence? Let me know what you think in the comment section. But what I think personally is, now, there's something you need to understand about crypto. There's what we call the market psychology. People sometimes act based on events. And how do I mean this? Now, anniversary events now often renews community engagement and then boost the momentum of the project. Now, people will now start remembering that there's Pi Network, trying to look into the project, see how good they are doing, invest into it, and that is how the price will keep going up. So currently, why I think Pi coins is surging currently is because the supply is being controlled. There is being utility in place, and also the anniversary. Now they are beginning to prove themselves. I'm going to pay close attention to this project and give you guys updates, active first-hand updates about what is going on with the project. So guys, if you like this content you just got, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just got. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.